Hi, good day, Miss Mary Jane. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Mary Jane Estareja. I'm 44 years old. I have two kids. The eldest is boy, 18 years old, and the youngest is 10 years old, girl. I'm married.
Alright. Where do you live?
I live at Antipolo Hills Subdivision, Barangay San Luis, Antipolo City.
Thank you. How many siblings do you have?
I have 7 siblings. I'm at the port.
Thank you. Please tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate, but I take a vocational course at TESDA,
Alright.
caregiving in situ, and also I attend HENGAT training at Philippine Red Cross, first aid training.
Thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, at Maldives.
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper.
The duties and responsibilities of domestic helper is make sure the room or the house is organized, clean, including the ironing, laundry, meal preparation, taking care of the child, running errands.
Thank you for that. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, but it end on the early finish contract.
Alright. Thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, honest, loyal, and hardworking.
Thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, but on the leg part, but not visible.
Thank you. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To sustain my family needs and for my children's future.
Thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Stay calm and respond the cause and the stay calm and understand the cause and respond appropriately.
Thank you. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes.
Can you give us an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little sky, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you. Then what is your message to your future employer?
I hope my future employer will have a good relationship, and I hope that I will do my best to meet their expectation. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you.